Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a delicious, mouth-watering mac and cheese recipe Twisty style. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe to receive our videos every other day. Let's get started. Heat a pan and melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter has melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix it until the color turns brown or it starts fragranting. Make sure to do this on medium flame. Now add 1 cup of milk gradually. Add half tablespoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and mix it all well. After mixing, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, or you can use half cup of chicken broth, half teaspoon crushed red chili. This is optional but highly recommended to make it a nice spicy flavor. Add half cup of warm water, or if you're using chicken broth, add that. This sauce will take around 15 to 20 minutes to be completely cooked. Keep mixing it until it becomes a little runny like this. Now we will add 8 cups of boiled macaroni and 1 cup of cheddar cube or shredded cheddar, whichever you prefer. After giving it a good mix, add it in a pan which we will use in an oven. We will cover it with a little more cheese, add some shredded cheddar, and add 6 mozzarella slices. If you want, you can add more. As our last step, preheat the oven on 350°F and place the pan on the middle rack and leave it for 15 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Mouth-watering mac and cheese is ready to be served. This is a perfect lunch or dinner recipe for your weekend. Give it a try and let us know in the comment section below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive our videos every other day. Thank you.